Is a title insurance policy best for you? It may be obvious that getting a house is actually costly. Expenses swiftly mount up, and so property customers usually wish to forego just about any unnecessary expenses. Title insurance coverage may appear as yet another additional expense, however in the end it might be well worth the extra cost. Title insurance plans, not like some other coverage, addresses errors or undetectable claims from the past that may compromise your own wallet's future. Title company specialists initially brush through earlier deeds and also documents for any outstanding flaws that may impact your own claim to the property or home. Still, even the most complete professional could skip a concealed deficiency that may be introduced in opposition to your current title afterwards. Property owners need to think about the consequences involving just about any upcoming disputes ahead of dismissing a chance to purchase title insurance coverage. What appears to be a needless expense at this point may possibly help save lots of time and also dollars afterwards. Nonetheless, this also might not exactly. Specialists state the economy's foreseeable future does not appear vibrant, and so most people probably believe it's best to save and not spend. Saving cash by deciding not to obtain title insurance coverage could keep more cash inside the bank. Nonetheless, customers need to look at which the USA could possibly plunge into some sort of downturn. During those times, if someone brings a legitimate claim in opposition to your own title, are you going to be in a position to pay for it to be able to combat this, or maybe look for a brand new property? Purchasing an insurance plan is really a little financial threat in the sense that you could never redeem the advantages of the actual insurance policy when nothing at all occurs. Yet this threat is actually considerably small compared to the chance of anything occurring without having this. Specifically, overall economy is simply not conducive to letting the typical American plenty of extra cash. Getting title insurance coverage is really a single-time charge, not like a great many other coverage, and endures so long as you retain the title of the property or home. Even as we emerge from the past economic downturn, and ahead of we perhaps plunge straight into a different one, that one-time charge ought to be affordable as well as useful. A title insurance policy might not be necessary for every person, however it is obviously worth taking into consideration. As America's overall economy gets weaker, a sudden event in opposition to your home might devastate your own personal financial situation. Purchasing title insurance coverage will avoid any such occurrence and make you feel protected in regards to your claim to the house.